Sea of Seeds, introducing Raspberry Cough from Nirvana Seeds. Raspberry Cough is a newer strain to our list in the last couple of years. It's a highly recommended medical strain. Its high is very clear, yet has a lot of calming effects at the same time. It's a very functional high. Its mother is a Cambodian landrace, so the flavors can be tend to be a bit spicy Asian. The father is our ice, giving it a structure that's commercially viable. There's many red hairs on this strain, and tends to develop blue hues if it's exposed to colder climates. This is one of our favorite medical strains.
Seeds.